Hi. Hey, it's Teresa and Anna of socialmediaprayer.com. We are just minutes away from our live from our kitchen table, Firebrand Table Talk with Pastor Dave. Already we've got guests and they're chatting back and forth. Let's just say hello to the guests. And this is a special shout out to Heather, Tim, Levi, Landon, and Trevor. They are praying for you. Pat, Heather, has been praying for you already for a safe trip and for your church camp. Can't read. I don't have my glasses on. But anyway, so you guys, we want Heather and Tim to know they're praying for you. Those of you who are watching this just in passing right now, go to Spreecast.com/events, Firebrand 18, 7 p.m., top of the hour, Eastern Standard Time. We'll be live from our kitchen table right there. See that? That's where Pastor Dave will be. So join us in just 15 minutes and we'll have Firebrand Table Talk just for you. And those that are standing by, we'll be on in just a second. We're going to go shoot this over so they can watch it.